What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have something amazing for you. So I have never I love watching Manny MUA on YouTube. He is absolutely hilarious, but I have never tried his products, and I've always wanted to try his products. I just never took the plunge and purchased, which, you know, my favorite way to try out a new company, a new brand, is by mystery boxes. So if you can't tell, we have a Lunar Beauty mystery box that I literally found out about on Twitter because he tweeted about it. So as soon as I saw it, I had to jump in. You know, that's, if you want me to try out your brand, throw me a mystery box, because honey, I am all for it. I love surprises. I love seeing stuff, and to me it's just the best way to try out something new. So we have a Lunar Beauty mystery box, and I am so excited about it. So you guys are going to die. I'm going, like, when I opened this up, when Chris and I opened this up in the kitchen, we were like, holy crap, this is so nice. This is like one of the best mystery boxes I've ever gotten. So I'm gonna go ahead and open her up, show you what's inside, and you guys can see for yourself if it was worth it. I absolutely think it was, and if it comes around again, if he decides to do it again, I'm all for it. I'm doing it 100%, hands down. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up so you guys can see everything that I got. So the first thing that I got was a little hat, and it has So Pigmented on it, and it's got his little logo right here with the crescent moon. I love hats. I have Kathleen Light's hat. Like, right, it looks funny on me right now because I got that like thing in my head, but I love hats. I have a hat from Kathleen Lights that says Light Squad, and it's like a dark blue one. That I got that from her merch store. I'm so down. It is beautiful. It's cute. Baby blue and white. Yeah, I'm for it. We also got a couple of these little pins. So I got So Pigmented, little moon thing, and then his little puppy. So Zaya. So this is it right here. I love pins. I think they're fun. You can put them anywhere. The other thing we got, people, was a t-shirt. So I have a t-shirt with Manny on it. And then I also, like, on the back, it's cute too, because like right at the top, it has Manny MUA, his little logo. But how freaking adorable is this? Like, I love it because it's just like right on the, like, right where a pocket should be, and that's it. So I think it's super cute, super adorable. I am so down. Like, I would walk out of the house wearing this t-shirt and that hat. But that's not it. So you got some merch. Cool, right? And then, oh, how about everything was like super nicely wrapped? There was like so much bubble wrapping, and then like this little like nice wrapping right there. But anyways, besides that, I also got, and this was like the middle of the tier, I believe, beauty mystery boxes that he had. So this wasn't the lowest, this was middle tier, and it wasn't the like more expensive one. So I just went in the middle, because that's like, for me, that's the best way to try something out, to really see if I'm gonna like it. But anyway, so we got all that merch, and then we got from his Greek Goddess collection, which is so cute, by the way. I got a liquid lipstick in the shade Aphrodite. Packaging, stunning. But this is it right here. Like, look at the packaging on this liquid lipstick. You see the little diamond at the top, the gold throughout. Like, oh my god. So Aphrodite is a red. So we're gonna swatch her. Ignore this swatch. This is from another video. Yes, I'm filming multiple videos at once, but this is it right here. It's like a berry red, or like a brick red. I don't know. It's gorgeous. I told you guys wrong. My lights are red. Anyways, it's like a brick red, but it feels really good. It swatches well. I think it's gonna go really well on the lips. And this is just really nice, like heavy packaging. It's nice. It's heavy. It's gorgeous. I would love to pull this out and be like, oh, look at me, I'm going to put my lipstick on. But this is from his Greek Goddess collection. So if you go and get his like regular stuff, it's not going to have this gold packaging. For each collection he does change it up a bit, but it's pretty much the same with the little diamond on the top and the packaging right here, but the color right here changes. So that is one. Then I freaking got the Greek Goddess palette. The Greek Goddess palette. So let me just open this baby up right up for you. Like unicorn, stunning, right? Yeah, stunning, stunning. Look at this. Look at it. Take your eyes and just look at it. It is raised. So like when you put your hand over it, you're going to feel the details and the, like everything on here. You can tell by looking at it. It is nice. This is a very nice packaging. So this is his Greek Goddess palette. And it has obviously the mirror. And I'm going to put this up. But this is it right here. These are the colors, like beautiful beautiful colors. It's a great color story, especially it's not one that's like too out there where you're like, ooh, what am I going to do with this? But it's perfect because it does have those pops of different colors, but then it also has like your neutrals as well. So this is where I like to lean is more of like my browns, my mauves. I love those colors, the deeper kind of colors. So that's where I like to go. But you do have your lighter shades as well. So this is it right here. But packaging, oh my God. So I did get 2 items, and I love that when they packaged this, they put 2 items from the same collection together. So you didn't get a hodgepodge of like random stuff, you know? I appreciate the fact that they put 2 items from the same collection in there along with everything else. So I'm just so excited. I cannot wait to try this out. Everything is stunning. I love everything that I got. This to me was a really great mystery box. This was something that I could, I feel like I got a lot of stuff, and it was a great way to introduce me to his brand and to be able to try something new. So I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you got one of these mystery boxes, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you got. I would love to hear it. But be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.